Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Nvidia stock, and most importantly, are we going to all-time highs again? New all-time highs is what I mean to say. Why so? Well, looks like, well, the structure, as you know, I have been saying we are bullish. All in all, the structure, that's just a pullback. Yes, intraday short play came. We talked about all of that. I'll show you those things as well. But all in all, the pivot held. Yeah, buyers are still in, and you can see the pivot is done. And look at this good candle today. This is a bullish candle, period. And so we're not very far away from all-time highs, which is sitting at 1158. And in the post market, you can see we are already at $1,154. So, well, let's talk about all of that. But before that, I just want to actually show you my day trading bot and swing bot as well on Nvidia's performance. So let's plug that in. So this is my day trading bot. You can see the data on the table as well on the left-hand side, bottom left-hand side. And you can see today also we got a great moves, great buying position. This is, yeah, performance looking great on Nvidia stock. Total, yeah, good profits. You can see the number here, $9,700, $9,700 almost. There has been red days as well. That's the name of the game. And again, these are educational tools. I don't take guarantee of anything. Tomorrow there could be a red day as well, okay? And you can see there have been red days too. So that's that. Got a good buy into the pullback as well today, and then yeah, just ran up all the way there. And then want to show you my swing bot as well. So let's turn off the day trading bot. Let's turn on the swing bot, and let's go over there. So I was a bit yeah, cautious on this, little bit early today, but then yeah, the technical, that's the thing, right? Technicals were confirming everything, so you just got to stay with the plan. And you can see we got another buy position here. So last swing position that we had, that was the biggest trade a bot ever made, I think, over the last 30 trades, right? You can see $12,800 closed P&L on the last trade, right? But this trade got opened this morning as well. Good buy position at 1128, and then we are at 1154 already in the profit open P&L. You can see there is no partial take profit position that has come on this yet, but we'll see how this thing turns out. Again, just showing you the data. You can see there has been red days as well, so red trades as well, I mean. So it's just about, but we are net profitable, just like we are on day trading bot net profitable, on swing bot as well we are net profitable. You can see the data there. All right, so that's that. Anyways, and if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. All right, so let's go to the daily interval again. Oh, well, yeah, daily interval, I already talked about the things. So yeah, guys, we are bullish, period. Structure is bullish, right? And let's go to the hourly interval now. And let's talk about a couple of things over here. And here we are. So what I was saying is that, guys, as long as we are in this channel, yes, we can continue lower, but anytime if we get out of it, things will become bullish. Pretty much the level was $1,107. Once we got out of it, that was it, guys. And yeah, we have been bullish since then today. And that's when my bot also gave on the swing side buy position. And even my day trading bot gave good buy positions on it. And so, yeah, now what are we doing? Well, if we are bullish, even in the morning, I talked about when the candle was right over here. I said, guys, that's just a pullback happening right now. And this has a potential to stay bullish. We are even bullish on Nvidia. Even if we would have come down to 1107, there might be some short play at break of 1123 down to 1106, but we never got a candle close below it. And yeah, so that was just pullback. And as I was saying, yep, 50 hours, 20 hours moving average, just a support on this thing now. And structure is just bullish, right? So we have a higher pivot already. And yeah, Nvidia is even intraday is just bullish structure right now. It will stay even on intraday bullish even into the pullbacks. I don't know how much pullbacks would come tomorrow, but this is at all-time highs here. So here's the thing: two things can happen here. Either it's going to form a double top, right, or it's going to do a breakout. And once the breakout happens, it's going to go new all-time highs wherever that would be. But yeah. And if we break the level, guys, here's the thing. Let's go to the 5 minutes actually. Here's the thing. Let's say if at this all-time highs we start to sell off a little bit, bulls have a lot of control. Actually, some levels will show up tomorrow as well. But as long as we, even if pullbacks comes to 1136 cents, that's not, sorry, $1,136. Even if the pullback comes to that level, that's just bullishness, and this thing can still continue higher. There is, yeah, it is just in an uptrend even on intraday. I showed you the pivots on intraday as well. We have formed. If we lose the level of $1,136, then I would actually want to see it break 1127 as well before any weakness would start to come in again. But yeah, otherwise, no. This thing in the pullback might just get bought back up. It's still very strong right now. So Nvidia is not complicated. It's simple, easy peasy to trade. It's easy peasy, just as the things I showed you. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. So let's see tomorrow if we can get to new all-time highs, and we'll take it from there. But yeah, this looks very bullish, guys. At this point, okay, here's the thing. If Nvidia wants to flip $1,070, if it can't break above 1150, but that's very still far away. That will be just a little bit of a swing neckline break. But yeah, there's 20 days moving average sitting over here. Then we have a good support at 975 as well. This thing is very bullish right now, and yeah, and we got the pivot as well, structures as I just showed you on hourly interval as well. Cool. Well, good stuff, right? Nvidia stock is doing great then. All right, let's actually take a look at QQQ and SPY. I did a video on this, guys. Yeah, check out that video on my channel. It's on my channel. Just go and check out QQQ and SPY. I'm not going to talk over here. And then there's the video. Well, okay, let me just talk about it real quick. So SPY, you can see, still getting rotated at 20 days moving average, still getting bought back up. The structure is still remaining bullish, right? Yeah, wow, look at it, still. And that's what I said, when bulls rotated on Friday, that was it. And they're still holding 524 and above. And on QQQ as well, they're still holding the level of 449. We got bought back up. Things are bullish on QQQ and SPY as well. So yeah, this thing is still bullish. I think, well, I don't want to talk Microsoft here, but it hasn't really confirmed structure bullishness. But anyways, I want to focus on Nvidia. Check out my QQQ and SPY video and the tech stocks that I have done today on my channel if you want to know more about it. And let's see what tomorrow Nvidia does. Yeah, I just think that it might be in the pre-market, might be, who knows, in pre-market already it might be all-time highs. That's usually how these things happen. But we'll see. All right, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. And if you need access to my tools, my day trading bot, my indicators, links to my tools are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and yeah. All right, bye.